Unit 5, we learned the new position D5 fingers. The reason why there's a black key here, because we want it the same as the C5 fingers. When you see the middle one is supposed to be whole, this here, whole, whole, half, whole. So we have tone, tone, semitone, tone. When you go here, this is tone, but this is semitone. That's why you have to raise it to the tone, which is black key. So you have tone, tone, semitone, tone. That's why D5 finger have sharp on it. We will start the warm up from D, go up, and that's the chord. And then it's the fifth chord, which is the A7 chord, back to D. Just for D chord, we play the block chord by crossing finger going higher and the broken chord. Ready, set, go from the D, 2, 3, front, cross your left hand over, out your hand to the highest D, breaking the chord one by crossing your hand without stopping. Now shift the C chord, 2, 3, cross the C, 2, 3, 2, break it down to C chord, higher. If you would like to put pedal, one chord, one pedal, and don't forget to change your pedal by lifting up and down again when the chord changes. Cheers for D chord, slow. Change chords. Fast version.